This video content is not intended for children.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Today, we're taking out the boat. That's right, I have a boat. This is for all you alpha who said that I'm just jealous that I don't have a boat in my last video. That's right, I have a boat and I still care about bank anglers. That's gonna make some people's head explode. Anyway, let's get out there on the water, away from the public access, and see if we can catch some fish. There's my boat. 1984 Sea Nymph with a 50 horse force. Sweet vintage boat. Let's see if we can get a fish this morning. You're just jealous because you don't have a boat. You're just jealous because I have compassion for the less fortunate and you're an alpha douchebag. Let's go over there across the channel where no bank fishermen can get to and start fishing. Look, there's the public access area. I'm quietly trolling out of here without fishing it because I have the luxury of a boat today. While I work my way over there, I'll show you what I'm using today. I'm going to start off with a wacky rigged stick bait, a soft stick bait. This is a Yum Dinger. You could also use a big bite baits. You could use a Gerry Yamamoto, a Havoc. I mean, it really doesn't matter. Sure, they have subtle differences, but if a fish is going to bite this, it's probably going to bite a Yamamoto. It's probably going to bite any brand of stick worm, as long as it has that jiggle. So yeah, some interesting statistics about fishing, right? My last video was about standing up for bank anglers, and if you're in a boat, not fishing over them, right? Leaving them alone, giving them some space. No need to add all that extra pressure to their already popular spots. And about 7% of people really don't like me saying that. The alpha males of the world, I got a boat, I can go and do whatever I want. Just remember that about 7% of the people out there, jerk-offs. It's a free country, I can be an asshole if I want. Those kind of guys are the ones complaining that I'm standing up for the less fortunate. It would almost be funny if it wasn't so pathetic and sad. So yeah, if you're familiar with my channel, you would know that I do mostly bank fishing videos. And I do them for beginners to learn how to catch bass, carp, drum, catfish, bluegill, even some saltwater fishing once in a while. Wow, it's already a hot one. It's like 6:30 in the morning and it's already 82 degrees. Burning up over here. And a few people out there misunderstand my complaint about, that's a bite, that was a nibble. Misunderstand my complaint about boats fishing in pressured parks. I don't have problems with boats fishing the bank. I don't have a problem with boats fishing docks. It's when you're fishing those small areas that bank fishermen are stuck at that you look like a jerk to me. I see a beaver. Damn it, don't scare the fish away, beaver. Anyway, there's a small patch of weeds up here. Sometimes I can get a bite over here. And of course, if I don't get any bites on the Yum Dinger here, I might switch it up to Texas rig craw, maybe a Texas rig worm, something like that. Oh, nibble. Panfish though, I think. Maybe he'll come back for it if it's a bass. So far, all I'm getting is tiny little nibbles. Like green sunfish, that's my guess. Once again, little nibble. What? Stole my bait? Some little fish just ripped my Senko off. Damn it. Let's get a new one. And wouldn't you know it, I don't have any rubber bands on me. We're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Hook the Senko right through the body. Fish. Got him out of there. Get him. Get him. That is a feisty little bass. Boat flip. All right. Wow, look at this fish. I hooked him through the weed guard. He's on there. There we go. First fish of the day. Got a nice largemouth bass here. I don't know, about 3/4 of a pound maybe. Went for that wacky rigged stick bait. I don't know what brand it is. And I'm fishing it old school with the hook right through the body. That's one. Count it. Got him right back here behind this big stump. Messed up my weed guard here. Alright, since I'm getting so many short strikes, I'm gonna change it up to something a little bit more finesse. Right, I got a 4.5 inch curl tail worm here. Well, it doesn't look like there's much current at all. I mean, the whole lake, even the main channel here, is glass. That might be one reason why I'm not getting a lot of bites. When there's no current, the fish aren't moving. Fish. All right, just a little guy. Looks like a bass though. It is. Here it is, folks. Yeah, monster bass. Got him on that 4-inch curl tail worm. Yeah, right. Who am I kidding? This is barely even a 1/4 pounder. I'm gonna count it though. With the way today is going, good fish. What would I target this with? Lipless crankbait? Right? Are these fish down here at about 10-15 feet? I'm gonna fish off the back of the boat. I'm gonna let it sink. We're gonna count it down. Fish. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Jumped and spit it out. That was a nice bass. Whew. Now that's some bass action right there. Holy sh**. Alright, well, I haven't got any more bites out here on the lipless crank. We're gonna slowly make our way back to the ramp and fish along the way. Hopefully we can get another one. Is that a fish? Fish or a snag? What do I got here? Snag. Damn it. It felt heavy like a fish. You ever fight something for a minute thinking it's a fish and it's not? You know what, just for the hell of it, let's start up the outboard and go for a quick cruise. That's a bait ball down there. Look at the size of that bait ball. Look at that bait ball. Bait ball. That's a lot of bait. All right, that was fun. Let's turn around. Let's turn around and head back. All right, let's hang her up. And there we have it, another day of boat fishing in the books. It was not an amazing day. It was okay. I got a couple of bass, and I had a really nice one on out there fishing the main channel, but it jumped and threw the hook in textbook fashion. It was fun to fish out there in the main channel. I don't do it very often because it's out of my comfort zone. But yeah, there we go, another day fishing in the boat. And to everyone out there who says I only stick up for bank anglers because I'm jealous that I don't have a boat, I got 2 words for ya.